Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap. So in today's trade, we actually took a loss. However, this trade was managed to absolute perfection. It would have actually been a 16 pip stop loss. However, I managed my position a lot more quicker and only cut it for a -4 pips, which is fantastic trade management. And this just shows the importance of always trading neutral in the markets, and two, having a strict trades management plan that you follow. So when your position doesn't go as you had anticipated, you do something about it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's recap. Gold has tapped into this major support, broken, now confirmed as resistance, faked out, liquidated the highs here during the Asian session today, which is very, very nice. Or if you can get the break of the lows, I think we could short gold down into here. Gold today in the Asian session had a lovely, lovely entry. Liquidated all these highs, broke the structure, retested, ended up dropping like 90 pips, which was huge on gold in the Asian session. Hourly, yeah, I think hourly may come and fill in that previous hourly wick one more time. So may come and grab the lows one more time. See if we can just wick out that previous 15-minute high before potentially considering something here. Can come back down and re-break this 15, and we could get a nice push. Ooh, my hourly on gold could have a nice flip now. If this 5-minute closes bearish, I think I'm going to put this sell in on gold. I'll probably have stops just above here for around 16 pips. Ooh, look at that 5-minute flipping, really nice. I got this sell stop on gold right now. Stop loss around 16 pips. Looking for this to have a nice big drive, really nice risk to reward here as well. 30's looking real nice. Could have a really, really nice push. This 30's starting to look quite nice now. Could get a nice drive here. I'm not going to go break even just yet because we have left a pretty big level up here to potentially quickly top wick and drive lower. So I am going to give it a little bit of breathing room. If gold doesn't give a nice strong bearish close here, I'm going to manage. I want a nice close because we just grabbed that 30-minute low one more time, and that's what we needed to do if we were going to have a push up. We had to wick out this low one more time. So if we start rejecting here, I'm going to manage. I know you got 20 more seconds. Because if we were going to get this drive, we wouldn't be stalling so quick. So I'm going to potentially get here to possibly cut this pretty quick. Yeah, I'm going to close here at -4 pips. I'm out of this gold now. I don't like that. The reason that I'm cutting it there is because we just liquidated the previous 30-minute low, and the 15-minute is looking like we could wick these lows and potentially flip up. So I don't want to hold this. If we can re-break this support, I'll consider re-entering, but I'm out of this now. -4 pips. There's no real reason to hold this short anymore. If we get the confirmation and we get the flip, I'd consider the flip of the 15 if it's looking like we are going to, all the way back up into these highs for 30 pips. Because we have just wicked out that previous 30-minute low, which is what I mentioned that we could possibly do. So now that we've wicked out and haven't closed below it, it could be a liquidity grab of the previous 30 to continue pushing higher, because we haven't even grabbed any 30-minute highs just yet. Mate, do you have a plan or strategy or whatever you called it to do consistently? Yeah, I have a full plan, man. It took me about 3 years to be able to build a consistently profitable trading plan. But yeah, I have a plan that I follow. Everything that I do in my trading is based off my plan. You have to have a plan. If you don't have a trading plan, then you're literally just guessing, and you're trading what you think. Because you have to have a plan with a set of rules, and you have to follow their rules. Now my rules now on gold is until we break the support, I'm not going to do anything. But for any of you guys who are new to trading, you have to have a trading plan. Alad, join the community. Yeah, absolutely. You guys can find my full entire day trading plan, swing trading plan in the community as well. That's the thing. Find a plan and stick to it, and give it enough time to run it through different market conditions. Don't, build a plan, trade it for like a week, 2 weeks, and if it doesn't work, give up on it. You need a lot more data into your plan than that. My plan has taken me a lot of time to develop and implement and refine. You need an entry plan, you need a risk management plan, and you need a trade management plan. You need 3 different types of plans, not just one plan. A risk management plan is a lot deeper than what retailers tell each other, 1% risk per trade. That's a very basic retail risk management plan. Risk management is so much more than just, I'm going to risk 1% on every single trade, because that's what someone on Instagram told me to do. That's not the way you want to trade. Gold respecting that support, having this drive up now. This was our original short. Look at that. We broke this support resistance, but what are we also doing? We're also respecting this support. So you have to understand it from both sides. Yes, we've broken support here, and we could drive lower, but we're also respecting support here. So you see the markets from both sides. If you can see shorts from here, you also have to be able to see people trying to go long from here. and now they're having that push higher. So we closed this at around like 4 pips or something, and now we're having a big drive. So this is very, very good management. We would have got full stopped out there on gold for a total of minus 16 pips. So we cut it at minus 4 pips, we would have been stopped out for 16. And the reason I cut my trade early is because I'm understanding the markets from that neutral perspective as always. You know, it's not about being right or wrong and calling the market direction every single time. It's just about managing your position and trading what you see at that time. So very, very well played. We get a nice close here on gold. I'm going to look for some longs. And the whole reason I was managing that trade is because I was mentioning before, the second we wick out this previous 30-minute low, we could have a big drive. If we're going to have a drive higher, we had to grab that previous 30-minute low. So now that we've grabbed that low, we could see a nice push here.